you respond for first pillar, right?
Yes.
So who the first presenter?
Me.
Yeah.
She.
What's your name, please?
My name is Sukhon Sainit.
Sukun Sainit.
Yeah.
What grade are you in?
Grade 11 C of Misai High School.
Okay. And second
This is the
pillar?
picture of four pillar. Or in Khmer we can say ចតុស្តម្ភទាំង4.
Okay.
It helps us learn to know, learn to do, learn to be, and finally learn to live together. On Khmer we can say learn to know. In Khmer រៀនដើម្បី learn to know. In Khmer រៀនដើម្បីចេះធ្វើ learn to be រៀនដើម្បីមានសីលធម៌ល្អ learn to live together រៀនដើម្បីរៀនរស់នៅជាមួយគ្នា and for me I say about the meaning of learn to know. Learning to know is educate our the educate a wide range of people on social like relate to like violence, human rights, skill, culture, environment, technology, history and science. Or you can say រៀនដើម្បីដឹងហ្នឹងគឺអប់រំមនុស្សទូទៅស្ដីអំពីអំពើហិង្សានិយាយពីឲ្យយើងយល់ដឹងពីបរិស្ថានវប្បធម៌អរិយធម៌ប្រវត្តិសាស្ត្រក៏ដូចជាវិទ្យាសាស្ត្រផងដែរ and that's all about learn to know. So let my friends show you about learn to do.
Yeah. So you are the second speaker, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So you're gonna describe about learn to do, right?
Yes.
What's your name?
I'm Kha Siêu Mây.
Okay.
Kha Siêu Mây. I'm studying grade 12B at Misang High School.
Okay. Yeah.
Today I want to tell you about learn to do. Learn to do that means learn to have content life or skill for to apply and use in daily life and to prepare for the future. Learn to do មានន័យថារៀនដើម្បីធ្វើ
Okay. Don't be afraid. That's okay.
យើងរៀនដើម្បីធ្វើហ្នឹងគឺយើងចង់ធ្វើអ្វីមួយដែលយើងចង់ធ្វើហើយដើម្បីយកជាជំនាញបទពិសោធន៍រៀនដើម្បីច្បាស់នៅជំនាញមួយហើយយើងចង់ធ្វើ
That's fine. That's fine.
ហើយយើងរៀនហ្នឹងដើម្បីរៀបចំអ្វីមួយនៅថ្ងៃអនាគតរបស់យើង
Okay. Thank you.
That's all.
So there, finish. So who is the third?
Third.
Yeah.
I got learn to be. Want to be it refers to change yourself with different situations and change yourself to connect with society. Be responsible and have dignity in society. ចឹង learn to be ហ្នឹងមានន័យថាការរស់នៅមានសីលធម៌ល្អក្នុងសង្គមមានន័យថាយើងរស់នៅដើម្បីផ្លាស់ប្ដូរខ្លួនទៅតាមស្ថានភាពសង្គមនីមួយៗហើយចេះបត់បែនចេះគោរពចេះនឹងឲ្យតម្លៃអ្នកជំនាញខ្លួនយើង That's all.
That's all.
Yes.
Okay.
I only this.
Yeah. I haven't asked your name. What's your name, please?
My name is Lim Ho.
And what grade are you in?
I study in grade 11 in Misang High School.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, I got to my friend.
Yeah. So you are the last speaker, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And the last one is learn to live together. So it means Khmer ចេះរៀនរស់ជាមួយគ្នានៅក្នុងសង្គម Learn to live together is refer to all attitude of learning to be tolerant, understanding, and interdependent, love and help each others, do not discriminate on basis of race, and know and guide each others, and know how to solve problems peacefully and non-violently. In Khmer it means វាសំដៅទៅលើអាកប្បកិរិយាដែលចេះជួយរក្សាគ្នាអធិស្ឋានគ្នានិងយល់គ្នាស្រឡាញ់គ្នាទៅវិញទៅមកមិនប្រកាន់ពូជសាសន៍ឡើងចេះណែនាំគ្នានិងចេះដោះស្រាយបញ្ហាដោយសន្តិវិធីនិងគ្មានអំពើហិង្សា
Okay. That's all. Yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah.